So in this video, we're going to try solving for x. We have been given two equations, two logarithm equations. Now, the first step in solving this question, we already have this second equation. So we're going to try adding the left-hand side of the equation. So when we add that, we already have the denominator as log 4 base x multiplied by log 8 base x. Now, on the numerator, we have it to be log x log 8 base x plus log 4 base x now is equals to 1. Now, the next step we're going to take here is to cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we have log 8 base x plus log 4 base x is equals to log 4 base x multiplied by log 8 base x. Now, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to apply a particular law of logarithm that says when you have log xy base a, it is equals to log a x base a plus log y base a. Now, before we move to the next step, if you want to solve more equations, more math questions with me in the future, kindly click the like and subscribe button, and also click the notification button. And when I upload videos like this, you'll get a notification. Thank you. Now we're going to try applying this rule on this right hand side of the equation. So when we do that, we have that our log 8 multiplied by 4 then base x is equals to log 4 base 8 multiplied by log 8 base x. This will give us log 32, which is 8 multiplied by 4 base x is equals to log 4 base x multiplied by log 8 base x. The next step we are going to take here is to divide through by log 4 base x. So when we do that, we have all over log 4 base x. So this is going to cancel this, and here we also have all over log 4 base x. So this will give us that our log 8 base x, which is the remainder here, is equals to log 32 base x all over log 4 base x. Now the next step we are going to take is to use another law of logarithm that says when you have log b base a all over log c base a, it is equals to log b base c. Now when we apply this law on this left hand side of this equation, then we'll be left with log 8 base x is equals to log 32 base 4. Now 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3. So we're going to rewrite that, and this is going to give us log 2 raised to the power of 3 base x is equals to log 32 base 4. The logarithm of 32 base 4 is going to give us 2.5, which is also equals to 5 all over 2. So we are going to go with that. So when we apply that here, we have that our log 2 raised to the power of 3 base x is equals to 5 all over 2. Now, when we simplify the left hand side of this equation, which is here, we'll be left with 3 log 2 base x is equals to 5 all over 2. Now we're going to try getting rid of this 3 by dividing both sides by 3. So when we divide this part by 3, this 3 is going to cancel this 3, and here we have divided by 3. So this is going to give us 5 all over 6. Because after that, we have that our log 2 base x is equals to 5 all over 2. And the question still should solve for x. Now, we're going to also use another law of logarithm. Now, yet again, to solve for x, you're going to use another law of logarithm. That says when you say b is equals to log y base a, then it is also equals to a raised to the power of b is equals to y. And here we have that our b is equals to 5 all over 2, our y is equals to 2, and our a, which is the base, is equals to x. Now when we substitute that into this law, there is this part of the law, we have that our a, which is x, raised to the power of 5 all over 6, which is our b, is equals to 2, which is the value of our y. Now, we should say we should solve for x. So to solve for x, we are going to try getting rid of this power 5 all over 6. So how do we get rid of it? We are going to raise both sides by the power of 6 all over 5. So it's going to cancel this 5 all over 6 to give us just 1. So when we do that, we'll be left with x is equals to 2 raised to the power, because we raise both sides by the power of 6 all over 5, 6 all over 5. So finally, our final answer, that our x is equals to 2 raised to the power of 6 all over 5.